Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm glad to see you, and today we will make high protein food preparation for breakfast. Let's get started.
The first dish which we're gonna prepare is dessert.
It's lemon muffins with cottage cheese.
So we start from eggs. We use some sugar, but you can use some sweetener if you're on a diet, for example. And instead of cottage cheese, you can use some ricotta or mascarpone or something like that, which has like cottage cheese texture. Then you have to use melted butter, baking powder, of course, and lemon zest. This time when I was adding some flour in the dish, I was using kitchen scale, but actually you don't need it because you need to add as many flour as you need for a specific texture, which you will see in the video. It will be depend on your flour. This dish is perfect for breakfast, for example, or some coffee break, or if you want to have some snack and instead of like chocolate or some sweet bar, you can eat this muffin and it will be better for your health and for your body. And it's less calories and more protein, and you will be full for a long time. I baked these muffins because we went to a friend's place and I wanted to bring something sweet for kids and for us, of course, to eat it after dinner. And it was really good. Kids loved it a lot. They didn't even look at some chocolate and cookies and another sweets. They ate only these muffins and it was really good. The next dish is cottage cheese donuts, but actually it's bagels, and it's perfect base for your breakfast instead of bread, toast, and something like that, because you will use cottage cheese or ricotta or whatever, something with protein. You have to use some eggs, cottage cheese, your favorite seasons. I use some Italian herbs, salt, pepper, and I have some really good dry garlic with smoked paprika. And you need baking powder, olive oil. So you have to mix it and add flour until this texture as you see. And then you have to put it in some forms. You can form bagels by yourself without the special forms, silicone forms. And on the top you can sprinkle it with what you have at your house. It can be like sesame. I had pumpkin seeds and it's really pretty, but you can use even peanuts if you want. Or you can leave it like that. You can bake it. You have to cut it like bagels, put any stuffing you want, and you will not feel hungry for a long time. It's really good for lunch boxes to your kids. They will never understand that it's with cottage cheese because my daughter, she doesn't like cottage cheese, but she doesn't understand that this one is with cottage cheese. She thinks it's just bagels, and it's okay. To save my time at the kitchen, I do so many processes at the same time because I don't like to spend lots of time at the kitchen. That's why I do food preparations. After finishing doing muffins, I finish to prepare this dough for bagels, and I put it to the oven at the same time because they need like plus minus the same time. It's economizing my time. During the baking, I do my next recipe. So here we go. Russian style cottage cheese pancakes. It's classical recipe for breakfast in Russia actually. But I modified it because I added some coconut flakes and mango because we have a season of it now. But it's a really good snack or breakfast because it's full of protein. After that, you don't feel hungry for a long time, and it's naturally sweet. So you can give it to your kids in your lunchbox or for the snack. It's better than chips or chocolate bar. It's healthier and you can freeze it. It's really good for freezing and you can use it after that. We use cottage cheese, we use some coconut flakes and baking powder and eggs. We have to mix it all together, and also you have to use some sweetener or sugar but not a lot because we will use mango and it's naturally sweet. And after mixing up all this together, we will use some mango cubes, and then we will start forming these small thick pancakes with a knife, or you can make them like balls. It's also okay, but this way is prettier, it's more beautiful and aesthetic. You have to fry it a little bit. It should be like golden sides on the both sides. And you can eat it like pancakes with toppings as you like, or you can freeze it and keep it in the fridge. I really love to eat waffles for breakfast or for a snack because it's a good way to get protein and to hide vegetables, because none of us like eat a lot of vegetables, right? Especially broccoli. But we need it because it's healthier and it's really good for your health. But there is one good way how to hide broccoli. So we will make broccoli waffles now. So you have to mix broccoli, cottage cheese, eggs, garlic, and I have some feta cheese, but you can use any cheese you have. Even Greek yogurt is okay. Some milk, flour, and vegetable oil. You have to mix it in a blender, blend it, and make some waffles in your waffle maker. It's really nice to eat this kind of dish for breakfast with salmon, with ham, with cheese, with whatever you want. You can even make like a small hamburgers using these waffles. It's also a good idea. And your kids will never understand that there is broccoli inside because it's not obvious. It's just waffles. It's not sweet, of course, but it's like salted waffles. You can hide whatever you want. Spinach, I don't know, like squash. If you hide pumpkin, it will be visible because it will be orange. But anyway, you can hide these vegetables and it's really a good way. So, and during we are making these waffles, we can make another recipe because every waffles is baking for 7 minutes or something like this, so we have lots of time. And I have my last recipes for today because if you remember, we have some bagels. We need some spread for bagels, and we will make some really fresh and nice spread using cottage cheese, of course, because all these recipes are with cottage cheese, and cucumbers and mint. So it's so refreshing and new. I'm sure you will like it. So we need cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, and you have to cut a few leaves of mint and put it in the cottage cheese. Then you have to grate cucumbers, and then you have to squeeze cucumbers because we don't need this juice. So you have to mix it, use your favorite spices, of course salt. You mix it up all together, and it's ready. It's really fast and it's really easy, and you can put it on your bagels or waffles or toast, and it's really nice. You can freeze it, but I think it will not have a chance to go to freezer because you will finish it until you have time to pack it for freezer. Okay, so enjoy your meal. We finished everything for today, and see how many dishes we made. We made lemon muffins with cottage cheese. We made cottage cheese bagels, broccoli cottage cheese waffles, and also we made cucumber cottage cheese mint spread, and we made cottage cheese small pancakes with coconut flakes and mango. So now we have to pack it and freeze, and we're ready for 1 or 2 weeks breakfast. So I hope you liked my recipes, and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and I will continue to share my ideas with you, and I will help you to save your time at the kitchen. And remember, keep your freezer full to save your time at the kitchen. Bye!